Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do Undulator Mission in Skate 4. So let's get started. What we'll need to do is some flip tricks, grind, and best sequence. So let's get the mission started together, like this. And as you can see, you can skip this part because everything I'm going to show you. So as you can see, we need to grind and do few flip tricks. So it is pretty simple and easy. Let's try again. It's not easy to target on this ramp, but the tricks should be pretty easy. As you can see, we did the mission and got all the points, so that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Leave some comments for the algorithm, and see you guys in the next one.